Nothing in the universe exists exact in your present. Everything you see is in your past. Let me explain. We see things because of the reflection of light from them. Now light travels fast, but it doesn't travel instantly, doesn't, right? Like it will take some time to reach us from the reflected object, and the time the light elapses in the way is the time we look the object in the past. Even if you are looking at something that is only 3 meters from you, the light will take about 10 nanoseconds to reach your eye, and then your brain will take about 80 milliseconds to process the image. It means that even something is present in front of you, it is present in your past. If you are looking at your friend that is about 1 billion kilometers away from you and he dies immediately, with your perspective, he will die the next hour or he will be good for 1 hour. Now, it means the outer we look, the far we go back in time. Interestingly, looking at the night sky is like looking at the historical museum. Light from the Andromeda Galaxy take about 2.5 million years to reach the Earth. It means if you are looking at the Andromeda tonight, you are seeing the stars that were existed before human evolved. With the enough powerful telescopes, we can even see the galaxies that are billions of light years away. Like the NASA have taken the image of a galaxy with James Webb Space Telescope called the JETS GSZ 14-O galaxy that is about 13.4 billion light years away from the Earth. It means we have seen it as it was just about 300 million years after the Big Bang, a very baby galaxy in the early universe. Similarly, with the laser interferometer gravitational wave observatory or for short LIGO, we can also hear the sound of the collision of the black holes that were happen before our sun ever existed. According to the Einstein theory of relativity, when two black holes collide with each other, it produces a gravitational waves, and that gravitational wave ripple in space-time fabric. Now the LIGO detects that gravitational wave, and after that scientists shifts convert that gravitational wave into the sound form, so we can hear the sound of that black holes on the earth. That is interesting.